How to check current password on Facebook. Let's get started. Facebook does not let you view your current password for security and privacy reasons. However, there are workarounds. If you're using Facebook in the iOS device, you'll get this app passwords. You'll need to launch it. Your Face ID will be enabled, or you'll need to type in your phone's passcode. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now click on the option of all. Here you're going to find different website option. In this list, you might find the option of Facebook as well. If you find it, you'll need to click on that. Clicking on that, you're going to get the option of password. You'll need to click on that option of password. With that, your Face ID will be enabled again. And once you verify that, the password will be visible. Next thing you want to do is, if you are using Facebook in the Chrome browser, you can easily get access to your Facebook current password. Launch your Chrome browser. Now, click on three dots given at the bottom right corner. Now head over to the option Password Manager. Your Face ID will be enabled. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find different website option. In this list, you'll find the option of Facebook as well. You'll need to click on that. And here you're gonna find this section of password. Clicking on that, your password will be visible. So this is how you can easily know your Facebook current password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.